Hey everybody, Lone Star Rocker Channel here. We're at Universal Studios Islands of Adventure. We're gonna go on Hagrid's ride. Check it out. So why don't you hang with me today? The Lost Continent. Some eaten up pumpkins. It's super scary in here, guys. I don't know if I can handle it.
Don't mind the Thestrals. Dead clever and useful they are. Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the Forbidden Forest. We'll have to round up the Scroots before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing. Oh, no. There's no need for that. Well, I think that's enough for today. You should probably head back. We'll pick this up later. The bikes will take it. Arthur warned me about those bikes, but I didn't think they'd take Ollie into the Forbidden Forest. Just hang on! Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His barks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just, Oh, no. Looks like you've lost power. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic. Oh, crikey, you're tangled in Devil's Snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem. Whew, That was close. Now we just need to... Oh, you found my missing screws. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Hold on. Dragonfire's got a kick. Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Really lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. Ouch!
All right, well, that was the Hagrid's ride. It was really awesome. It's one of our favorite rides here. We're gonna go around the park and have some fun today. If you like what you see, I want you all to please subscribe and hit the like button and keep on rocking, everybody.